Hi guys, commercial muna. So I discovered something. You use wet wipes and then choose the color of the eyeshadow you want. And then for example here, kunin yung color and then apply here. Mas matingkad. Compared to like a dry or though nabasa na kasi kaya see that? Wow. Pink and orange. You're crazy. Crazy bitch. Pwede rin maging so kakulat yung tip sa akin, ha? Hindi, na-discover ko lang din ngayon. Pwede wet wipes nga, oh. Tapos eyeshadow and then pwede lang dyan. Wow. Okay, anyways, gamit ko pala dito yung TLM foundation na color changing effect. Okay. So, diba sayang ring mo, then mas ano siya, mas kumakapit yung kulay. Gusto ko pang gamit yung kamay and anything like that. Voila! So let's get started with the real topic of the video. Orange and pink. What other? I'll be featuring the new GANDOLL brows. Ang ganda-ganda. So, I had event. So, nagka-event ako sa Vice. And I got this. Actually invited, but, you know, my work related, you know, catering. So, napasama tayo dun, guys. And swerte. Ayan. So, they have 4 shades. Let's see. Ang ganda ng packaging, no? Yung siya pink. Tapos parang yung Barbie. Yung Barbie packaging. Then, slide siya ng ganyan. Wow. Designed and formulated in Los Angeles, California. Ano yung paliwanagan dito? Ultra slim, precise, low-wearing, are chocolate, ultra slim, brow pencil with shapes, and defines the brows with easy position. Alam niyo, hawig niya yung Anastasia Beverly Hills brow. Parang yun yung inspiration ng Vice nila. Ay, yung ano nila ngayon. So, ang shades niya is 4. Light brown, ash brown, soft brown, and natural brown. Okay. So, ayun na nga. Ayan na siya. Alam mo, hindi ko alam yung price nito. Sorry. Ganda talaga ng color for shopping. Ay, sira naman. So, magkaka-partner. Yung ito, partner dito, partner dyan. So, you know what that's the idea already. So, the color is this natural brown. Yung super dark. Same as above. Above, ayun o, ang nipis. Ang nipis ng kanyang. Also, with the pink mirror. Crucial pink, not pink. The pink shirt, but with orange makeup. Tropical. So, dahil natin tong, alam niyo, hindi pa ako nakatry na Anastasia, Beverly Hills, whatever brows na yan, kasi wala, parang pricey. So, parang ganito siya. Nipis. Side. Tapos pulley, na may cup din. Yung kabila. Yun yung ganun siya kanipis. Sobrang nipis. So, let's see kung start. Parang hindi na nga pwede. Okay lang hindi lagyan ng oh, diba? Hindi siya tatanggal. Oh, siya. Ay, wait. Yun yung color niya pag sinaswatch sa kamay. I like it kasi ang nipis niya. Usually, hindi lang ako naglalagay dito sa mahirapan. Ang hirap lagyan. Ganyan. Piling ko ito yung kulay ko. Natural brown. Ay. Ang ganda, bes. Ang ganda ng spoolie din niya, oh. Ang ganda. Ito yung kakulay ko, I guess. Yan. Try naman natin itong volumizing brow gel. Lalagayan nga ng lipstick nila. Ay, nung kanilang liquid powder. Yung tint. Yung tint nila. So, ito yung kanyang itsura. Ayoko dumihan yung babaw. So, let's see. Grabe. Grabe, 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 grabe. So, I think ang galing, hindi siya bumabagsak. Sa kapal ng buhok ko dito. Hindi siya nabagsak. I like it. I like it, guys. I like it, guys. I love you. So, ito si Natural Brown. Natural Brown. So, next is the small soft brown. Masyado madiin. Ito na lang. Mali, mali. So, ito siya. Dito. Mas dark yung una ko na-try. Dito, medyo lighter. So, let's try. Kailangan gentle lang. Gentle. At huwag masyado lakihan ang pag-open dahil sobrang nipis niya, dears. Dear. Soft brown. Next is the ash brown. Bit ko itong ash brown. So, ito si ash brown. Ash brown. So, next one is the light brown. The lightest. Parang mocha. Toffee, mocha, taupe. Whatever you want to call it. Medyo, ano yung nangyari sa mga nito? Super puti. Here we go! The last one is the light brown. Light brown. Light brown. So, which is better? Hindi ko pa rin alam. Versus ash brown. There you have it. Paki-comment below kung ano pinaka-okay na kulay sa akin. Gusto ko lang malaman yung mga comments nyo. The new collection of Vice GANDOLL. 4 shades and you can choose whatever na bagay sa inyong kulay. And it's nice. Very nice. And hindi ko pa alam kung anong price dito. Sorry. Pero affordable naman to. Hope you guys like this video and until again next time for more videos from wala na iba kundi sa akin. Bye!